Drones today are reshaping the construction and infrastructure industries. That's right, drones, with enhanced safety, efficiency, and precision. Key to the impact of drones in these industries is proactive maintenance. By conducting regular inspections, drones can identify structural issues earlier, reducing unforeseen failures and, of course, costs. They also bolster sustainable construction by optimizing resource use and minimizing environmental impacts through their monitoring and 360, literal and figurative, vision of the worksite. And on the infrastructure side of things, in the case of, for example, infrastructure disaster management, drones are also invaluable for rapid damage assessment and rescue operations. Incorporating drones into workflows with GIS and BIM technologies has revolutionized construction monitoring. This integration provides detailed, interactive views of construction progress, enhancing productivity and project management. Drones are now integral in infrastructure tasks like factory surveillance, pipeline monitoring, and power line inspections. And they're equipped with advanced cameras, sensors, and thermal imaging, the technological foundations that are offering more efficient and accurate inspections. And there are other emerging trends like LiDAR technology and AI integration, which promise to further enhance drones' capabilities in infrastructure inspection and predictive maintenance. So in a lot of ways, we're just getting started.